Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is this year's last makeup look and it's a Christmas look, and someone suggested that I do white, so I did it. A white eyeshadow look with some shimmer, and yeah. And look who's here. This is Winter Max. Well, usually we call him Winter. He doesn't want me to be holding him. He's whining. Oh, what happened? What happened? Oh, you don't want to be carried? No, mommy, put me down. Oh, okay. Oh my God, I can't tell you guys how much I love him. I love him so much. All right, okay. All right, okay. I'm gonna let you go. Go find Jade. Okay, so this is the look. It's actually very simple and there's a lot of shimmer and yeah. So if you want to see how to do this look, keep watching. For this tutorial I used the Kat Von D Pastel Goth palette, the City Color Intense Shine palette, this Glitterazzi glitter from Hard Candy and Aurora, Ben Nye RL1 eyeshadow, it's a shimmery white, my usual concealer from Maybelline, a black eye pencil and a white eye pencil, one from Jordana and the other one from Wet n Wild, and L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black Mascara. Truffle Tease Maybelline lipstick, and also a red lipstick if you want to use it with pair it with red. Here are the brushes I used listed out. So we're going to begin by taking the top off. It just came off, so I had to take it off, and just I applied a lot of concealer to start, just to make sure that I get a really good foundation for my eyeshadows, especially white. So apply it all over. We're going to start with a skull, which is a matte white, and a blending brush. And we're going to apply it in the inner corner and work it towards the outside. Blend it as you go. Next up is Ben Nye's Shimmery White RL1, or any shimmery white eyeshadow. We're applying this on the outer half of the eye, and we're also going to bring it down towards the cheekbone, kind of like you apply a highlight, and underneath with another blending brush. Okay, next up is a white eyeliner, and we're going to put that in the inner corner. And then pat it down a little bit. Now with a different shimmery white and an angled brush, this time we're going to apply it to the brow bone. We want lots of layers here. We're also applying it on the inner corner on top of that white eyeliner. Next up, we're taking our black eyeliner pencil and we're gonna tight line first and then get really close to your lash line and extend the eyeliner outwards. We're also lining underneath and inside the inner corner. Now we're going to smoke it out. So it's soft and not harsh. Okay, now glitterazzi. This is kind of like a wet glitter. So we're applying it on the brow bone, a little bit in the inner corner, and then we're gonna pat it down a bit to smooth it. And then right on the center of the eyelid. Mascara time. We're gonna apply lots and lots of mascara on the top lashes and the bottom lashes. Last step for the eyes is the white eyeliner pencil inside the waterline to open up the eyes so that way your eyes don't shrink. Next up is blush. Any nice and almost hot pink blush will work. Rosy blush on the apples of the cheeks. You can pair it with red, but I'm going with a neutral. And this is truffle tease from Maybelline. I skipped the lip liner, I just applied the lipstick straight up on. Straight on. Okay, the look is done. Okay, that is it for today and for this year's last makeup tutorial 2018. I really hope that you guys have a very Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year. I hope that the new year is good to you. Yeah, and I'll have more looks to come. So yeah, as always, don't forget to give my video the thumbs up and subscribe if you're not already subscribed to my channel for more stuff. And as always, rock on. Yes. Oh, look at you. Look at this pepperoni pizza. Oh, oh, oh. It's getting close to his lunchtime, so we're gonna feed him soon. And I think he knows it. He's starting to whine because he's like, where's my food? Feed me. Oh, baby. Oh, baby. Where's my baby? Oh. I don't know if I could, convince him to take some pictures with me. He might whine and might not want to. But maybe. Maybe, huh? Maybe. It's good to be in the video for a little bit. Oh, and show your cute little face. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. Oh, I love you. Oh, I love you. Oh. Got something on your little phone. Alright. Okay. He's like, no, let me go. I want to get out of here. Yeah. Anyhow, looking forward to getting some rest. These days have been so busy. And, you know, I came back like re-energized, but then all kinds of stuff started happening. You know, just not like hard stuff, just like fun things, but a lot of socializing is also very exhausting. And then keeping up with him, because I do wake up maybe like 2 to 3 times every night to walk him, since we are potty training, and make sure that I'm always on time, because I don't want any accidents in the house. Poo-poo accidents? Ooh, no. So I'm making sure that, you know, I'm always like on time to walk him, feed him, play with him, like wear him out, play with him outside. So yeah, I'm actually loving it. I never thought I'd be that kind of dog person who actually enjoys like the training part, the walking part, all the like the grooming part, you know, giving him a bath and stuff, like, because I consider myself a cat person for sure. I love cats. I've always loved cats. I mean, cats are they're like my spirit animal. But I love him. He's a great little puppy. He's really smart too. Alright, I'm gonna let you guys go because I gotta go take him out to walk again. Bye.